All right, now we're going to look at the equivalent ratio problems found on page 138. There's problems numbers 24 and 25, and they're kind of similar, but we're going to deal with number 25 right now. You're going to use division to find all the whole number ratios equivalent to 168 over 56, or 168 to 56. So what I did here is I listed all the factors of both 168 and 56. And that's what you have to do first, because you have to, in order to divide the numbers, you have to divide them by the same number, which means we have to know all the numbers that these two numbers are divisible by. So here's all the numbers 168 are divisible by, and here's all the numbers 56 are divisible by. And what are the same in both lists? 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, and 56 is the same. So all I have to do is divide 168 and 56 by each one of those numbers, and then I'll have all of my equivalent ratios. So first let's divide 168 by 2. Well, that gives us 84. I drew a line from the 2 down to the 84 over here so you could see what happens when I divide it by 2. And then 56 divided by 2 is 28. So there's our first one. I've done 2. Now let's divide it by 4. 168 divided by 4 is 42. And 156 divided by 4 is 14. Okay, we did 4. Now let's divide it by 7. 168 divided by 7 is, follow the line down here, 24. And 56 divided by 7 is 8. And then we've done 7. Now we got to divide it by 8. 168 divided by 8 is 21. And of course, 7. And then dividing by 14, you get 12 here, and you get 4 there. And then dividing by 56, you get 3 here and 1 there. So these are all the different ratios that are equal to 168 over 56.